Good morning, everybody. Today I am with my student Miss Namita from India. Now we are going here in the junction. We are going to make U-turn. Please indicate a left. Going to the extremely left. We are going to make U-turn in very narrow island. Then here we have to make full U-turn and exit from the middle lane because the island is very small and narrow. Then we have to come back to the right lane. Check your center mirror, right side mirror, shoulder check for the blind spot, then indicator, and you have to come back to the right lane. Slowly put indicator right, go to the parking. See, this is the side parking.